Good Sunday morning again, everybody, and I'm starting up something new beginning today here. It is going to be a long-range forecast update once a week to give you insight into the long-range computer models in terms of what we could be looking at down the stretch beyond the 5 and the 7 and the 10-day forecast to give you more insight on the long-range trends. So today, of course, if you watched the forecast earlier, you'll know that there is speculation at a coastal storm this Friday, not necessarily for a big snowstorm, but maybe one that could get a little interesting. So we'll start off this long-range forecast by talking about that. Now, I'm going to go through several computer models and show you why sometimes the forecast is so tricky to nail down. Because here's the one I showed you this morning. You can see it has the coastal storm off of the Jersey coast, and you can see bringing us some rain changing over to snow. This is the GFS computer model. Let's switch sources now to another one of our computer models. This one also has the storm here with some heavier precipitation, this one keeping in the form of like a rain mixed with snow as well. Another computer model, the Euro, this one has this strong storm up over New England, also bringing us the same scenario, but there's also others that don't have this. Take a look at this one, for example. This is the same time frame. This is our CMC model. Nothing. It doesn't even have a storm anywhere around the area, just a few little flurries here and there. So, of course, this is why we can't make a forecast until everything is in agreement, because in a case like this, not all the models even have a storm. So that's why Friday's storm, we are just not jumping on it just yet. We are going to wait and see what happens. Now, beyond this, it does look like next weekend temperatures will begin to moderate just a little bit. They will go from the low 40s maybe to the upper 40s. But then as we move into this time next week, cold air crashing on down again, and then maybe this model saying a storm's going to ride up and catch the cold air and bring snow. This is Wednesday, December 2nd. Of course, this is how you get snow. You need cold air in place, which it does look like we'll have once we get into next week. And if a storm can catch the cold air, I do think we could be seeing some snow sometime next week. Not this week, next week, the first week in December. Then it looks like serious cold moving on in after that possible system goes away, and then maybe another storm riding along. So it does look like the start of December will be on the stormier side of things. Whether these storms bring rain, snow, a mix, whatever, we're going to have the cold air in place. That's what all models suggest. And if a storm can catch the cold air and intensify off the coast, we could have ourselves a good snow to start off the month of December. But as far as Friday's storm is concerned, we'll continue to watch it, check back for updates on that, and that is your first long-range video of this winter.